Hi guys, welcome back. Hope everybody's doing okay. So today I want to start with apologizing about the lighting situation. It's going to be either really bright or really dark because the sun is coming in and out of the clouds. I've tried to wait till I got some clear skies, but it's not coming today. I prepared a little canvas board. It's 24 by 30 centimeters. I put some blue paint on it. It's just paint I had left over, and this is actually going to be a leftover painting altogether. I'm going to move this out of this just to the side for a moment. I got this paper cup and I cut out a little lip, put some folds in it. I'm not sure how it's going to work, but I'm hoping to get a ribbon, and I'm just going to start pouring colors in here. I'm just going to finish off all my old paints. They're all different brands, nothing really fancy, it's just craft paints. Most of them have a little bit of PVA glue in them and some water. And maybe one or two have some silicone in them, not sure, because they're actually really like the leftovers. I really want to clean out my cups and start fresh again. So this was orange. Let's do some magenta. Purple. This might have some blobs in it. This is a grayish blue. Got a dark normal blue. Turquoise. A little bit of white left. A little bit of pink. Got some of my metallic black. And gold to finish it off. It's pretty full. I think it's gonna be enough. Let's get my canvas back here. Okay, and let's see if we can get some ribbons. Might start pouring from this side. I didn't get what I expected, but let's just move the painting around. Not sure if I want to add any more to it or if I'm just gonna leave it as is. Okay, let's take you down for a close-up. Let's hope it dries nice.